Up first this evening, the Westmoreland police are investigating what appears to be a domestic dispute which led to a murder-suicide in Aston, Darlington on Friday. Information reaching our newsroom is that about 11 in the morning, a man who has been identified as 45-year-old Philip Reed used an object to hit his 29-year-old wife Salima on the head. Mrs. Reed was pronounced dead at the Savannah Lamar Hospital. The police say Mr. Reed got upset after his wife told him she was ending the marriage.
Some substance said to be poisonous. He too was assisted to the hospital by citizens. And this morning, Saturday morning, he reportedly died.
The community is startled at the incident.
Well, those people are Christian. If they even have that issue, they don't bring it out loud to the public. They keep it to themselves. So it's a hard piece to say.
So how is the community taking it?
Hard, very hard. Because no one expect that from Mr. Reed. Mr. Reed was a good man, a good youth. We grew together. So it's hard, very hard for us right now.